Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to recap two trades that happened yesterday. Perfect textbook setups, easy, there was no hit on the trades, just went perfectly. So we'll start with the gold setup. Now, we have our high of the week and the low of the week set on Monday. So yesterday was Tuesday. As you can see. Now, prior to the New York window opening, the market was just, going up slowly in stairs. It's okay. That's what the market does. But the first hour triggers the high of the day. So if you got in the first hour, there was a pretty good setup for you for the move to the low of the day. Now, when I came to the market, the first hour had already, finished doing its thing. So, the process is still the same. The first hour will set the high and the low of the session. That is, when you look at the 15 minutes time frame, there was no clear indication of the market direction yesterday. So, if there is no clear indicator of if it's going to continue or reverse, let me show you. So, this is the setup before the second hour. It is just, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So, the first hour when it broke down, there was no retest. There was no sign of a retest. Not like the previous day here. Look at the way it happened. So there was the pump in the New York session, and then the next day pump again, and it broke down. This is not the same as yesterday. There was no breaking down. Or this one, the pump gives us a 1 push, 2 push, 3 push, break of structure, retest, continuation. This is a pump and dump setup in the bigger picture. This is not. Anyway, so the first hour will set the high and the low of the session. Second hour, we are waiting for the market to come back to either the high or the low. Then, look at how the market behaves. So, the first hour comes and stop hands. Does not reach the low of the day, but it falls pretty rather nicely. The second hour, we continue falling up until we reach the low of the day. Then we have our W pattern. Then a retest, and then this engulfment at 9:38. Go look at your charts. 9:38. That is the entry. Where is your target? Your target is here. Now, I got in a bit late because I was analyzing USD JPY, the Japanese yen. Now, this is not a trade that I took in my account. I took a trade from the Japanese yen. I find it is far much more stable than gold. Well, things change. As for the Japanese yen, everything was happening nicely. We had our first green day on Friday, and then Monday, yesterday, we had our continuation. And you remember when I was telling you yesterday that we might continue higher or just break structure and continue lower. Well, the market gave us a pump to the high during the Asian session, then broke structure and continued breaking down. Okay, so before even the first hour begins, this is a broken down market. We are going down. Now, since we are going down, the first hour gave us a nice pump to the high. So I was waiting for my pump and dump setup to continue to finish forming before aligning my trade with the existing trend. So the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. The second hour So, as you can see, the first hour sets the high and the low of the session. The second hour gives us a nice pump to the high above the quarter level. Gives us a nice on pattern, then a retest and the engulfment here at 927. So, as you can see, I got in at the round numbers with my 15 pips stop loss, a target of 25 pips. A nice trade, a nice beautiful trade setup that is aligned with the existing trend. So guys, it is not that difficult when you actually put in the work and look at the charts and understand the charts in your own specific way, in your own unique way. Ask yourself if someone new who has never heard about forex trading comes and asks you about your strategy, can you be able to explain it to him without confusing him? If you can, then you're on the right path. If you cannot, then you are confused, just like the new trader. So, guys, it is simple, productive. Now, I want to put my Instagram here so that, well, every time I take a trade, I will post it on my story, and I will be showing my analysis. So check out Inspired Alpha. This is my Instagram. I'll be posting the trades that I am looking at. Yeah, I'll be posting the trades that I'm looking at, the setups, and how they go, whether it's a winner or a loser. You know, it's all about playing the game. So welcome, come check me out. Let's grow together. Hopefully you got value from today's video. Stay disciplined, stay focused. If it helps you, write 20 things down that will help you grow your account. 20 things. The last one will actually surprise you. Anyway, see you in the next video.